In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get best Godaddy Renewal discount promo codes. If you want to save money on renewals, the first thing to know is that the best discounts often come from the right membership or a renewal-specific promo code. Instead of relying on random offers, it is better to use options that are designed to reduce renewal pricing on eligible products. Start by joining the free Godaddy Pro program. This is one of the easiest ways to unlock automatic savings because it can give you up to 30% off qualifying products and renewals. Since it is free to join, this is a smart first step for almost anyone with an account. Once you are enrolled, the savings can apply without needing to hunt for a separate code every time. That makes the process simpler and more reliable, especially if you renew services regularly. If you manage a larger number of domains, the next option to consider is the Paid Discount Domain Club. This is more useful for people with a bigger domain portfolio because it is designed to provide some of the lowest daily renewal rates. In other words, if you are renewing many domains over time, this membership can help you lock in better pricing on an ongoing basis. It may not be necessary for casual users with only 1 or 2 domains, but for anyone managing domains at scale, it can be a strong long-term savings option. Another important step is to search verified coupon aggregator platforms. The key here is to focus only on platforms that track and test promo codes, rather than using unverified coupon sites that often list expired or misleading offers. When you are searching, look specifically for codes that are validated for renewals. This matters because some promo codes only work for new purchases and will not apply to existing services when it is time to renew. As you review those offers, pay attention to the wording. If a code is marked as renewal validated, that gives you a better chance of success at checkout. It also helps reduce wasted time trying codes that are not meant for renewals in the first place. Combining this approach with the right membership can give you the best chance of lowering your total renewal cost. That covers everything you need to know.